Okay, so now moving on to the brain abnormalities associated with ASD. So first off is the limbic system. The limbic system is the area involved in producing emotional response as a result of interpretations of the environment from several other parts of the brain. It is also responsible for memory storage. It is located in the center of the brain and consists of the amygdala, which is the part that produces emotion, and the hippocampus, which is responsible for memory. This part of the brain has been found to be abnormal in individuals with ASD in the following ways. Individuals with ASD possess hippocampal neurons that are smaller, have fewer dendrites. Dendrites are the extensions from a cell body that receive messages from other or neighboring neurons, um, and whose density is increased in the amygdala. In terms of the amygdala, it has been found to be smaller in older individuals with ASD, but larger in younger individuals. The hippocampus has been found to be the exact opposite in size. It is larger in both older and younger individuals, but larger and more dense, and this is an important point, larger and more dense does not mean that these parts of the brain function better. Studies have shown that blood flow is reduced to the limbic system in autistic children, and that neuronal connectivity between the amygdala and the hippocampus is abnormal in individuals with Asperger's. Findings suggest that the more severe the autism spectrum disorder, the lower the amount of blood flow to the left temporal lobe, which is the area of the brain that is responsible for language acquisition and understanding speech. So I will relate these findings to the causes that we did, or the symptoms that we discussed earlier on in the presentation a little later. Lack of theory of mind. So I've provided a link on the slide. If you could click on that, it will bring you to a video that I have posted that explains theory of mind. The video explains its development in most children and will show you the false belief test. And this is a test that is used to measure whether someone has theory of mind or not. And it was done I think it was done in the 80s. It was first done in the 80s, and that's when scientists discovered it. So check it out and come on back.